in Gidan Bisa and Gidan Rutua, in which we conducted airstrikes on the 25th of December. The operation, which should have taken place on an earlier date, had to be rescheduled to the 25th. It started with pre-operational intelligence, surveillance, and recognition missions to confirm the terrorist activities within the general area. Having confirmed, aircrafts were dispatched to conduct precision airstrikes on the identified hideouts at about 0600 hours on that day. The strike was executed with precision-guided munitions to minimize collateral damage. They had minor impact on the surrounding villages. The airstrike indeed hit logistic base of the terrorists, which led to secondary explosions, and it was these secondary explosions that led to some casualties that was earlier reported.